All right, hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, working on a Chrysler 200. First things first, if you want to get these off right here, they're going to have the clip pushed in like that. You come over here, and where's my screwdriver? My customer is hiding my tools from me. So all you have to do is take a screwdriver, push that forward, you'll hear a click, and boom. Next, you're going to come down here. You're going to need a torque bit. Everything that I am doing in this video, I have for sale in my Mobile Mechanic store. From jacks to torque bits to everything you could think of, diagnostic machines. So this torque bit size is a T27. This right here is for sale. If you want to ratchet with your hand, go right ahead. I don't do that. Work smart but not hard. You just put it, pulls it right off, and boom. So I'm not going to bore you with all the details. Also, if you see this is a valve cover gasket leaking. So the next step, of course, you pull out the spark plug, and you're wondering, whoa, how in the world am I supposed to get the spark plug? It's way down there. You can see it right there. You have two options. You can use a magnet. You should always have a magnet with you because you're going to drop stuff and you pull it right out. Or if you don't have a magnet with you, take the car's own equipment energy, push that down, it'll come right out. I haven't loosened this up, that's why it didn't come out. With that being said, this is how you do a Chrysler 4-cylinder product with this type of engine. And it's basically the same with all tune-ups, except that might be a bolt instead of a torque bit. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow. Also, thank you for your donations. We take those donations to help single parents. We also help anybody with fixed incomes. We also offer financing for your labor. Thank you.